Welcome back to Gearvibe. Today, we're taking a first look at the Audi A8 2026, the flagship sedan that blends cutting-edge technology with understated elegance. While BMW and Mercedes grab the spotlight with bold designs and flashy features, Audi has a different strategy. But here's the twist. Is subtle sophistication enough to keep the A8 ahead in the ultra-competitive luxury sedan race? Let's dive in. The A8 sits at the top of Audi's sedan lineup, serving as a statement of prestige. In the US market, it competes directly with the BMW 7 Series and Mercedes S-Class, but instead of chasing flash, Audi focuses on timeless design, advanced tech, and quattro all-wheel drive confidence. For buyers who want luxury without shouting, the A8 is a compelling choice. Audi offers multiple powertrains for 2026. The standard A8 comes with a 3-liter turbocharged V6 paired with mild hybrid technology for smooth acceleration. For more punch, the A8L 60 TFSI packs a twin-turbo V8 with over 450 horsepower, delivering 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.5 seconds. Audi also offers a plug-in hybrid variant ideal for short all-electric commutes without sacrificing long-distance flexibility. The 2026 A8 isn't chasing Prius-like efficiency, but it holds its own in the segment. The V6 delivers mid-20s mpg, a hybrid offers electric-only driving for daily errands, and even the V8 manages competitive numbers considering its power. It's about balance, luxury without guilt. Here's where Audi shines. Thanks to adaptive air suspension and quattro all-wheel drive, the A8 glides over rough roads while still feeling composed in corners. It's not as sporty as a BMW 7 Series, but it's incredibly refined, quiet, stable, and built for comfort during long drives. For buyers who value smoothness over sharpness, the A8 is a dream. The 2026 A8 stays true to Audi's design language, sleek, confident, and understated. The single-frame grille is large but not overwhelming, while slim LED headlights with digital matrix tech give it a futuristic edge. Strong shoulder lines and a clean silhouette make it elegant without being flashy. It's the definition of quiet luxury. Pricing starts around $92,000 for the base model, while the A8L 60 TFSI and hybrid push closer to $120,000. Fully loaded versions can climb into the $140,000 range. Compared to rivals, the A8 often undercuts Mercedes and BMW slightly, appealing to value-conscious luxury buyers. Not a headline stat, but worth noting. The A8 can tow around 3,500 to 4,000 pounds when properly equipped. It's more for occasional utility than regular use. Inside, the 2026 A8 is loaded with tech. The MMI touch response system uses 2 screens, supported by a fully digital cockpit. Augmented reality navigation, adaptive cruise with lane guidance, and advanced driver assistance features bring it close to semi-autonomous driving. Rear passengers get entertainment displays, ambient lighting, and even massage seats. Step inside and you're greeted by a lounge-like environment. Premium leather, fine wood, and aluminum accents make it feel modern yet warm. The long wheelbase A8L offers expansive rear legroom, while options like heated armrests and footrests take comfort to another level. The trunk offers about 12.5 cubic feet, smaller than some rivals, but still practical for business trips or weekend getaways. The Audi A8 2026 proves that luxury doesn't need to scream for attention. With refined performance, timeless design, and advanced technology, it's a perfect fit for those who prefer sophistication over flash. So, what do you think? Would you choose the Audi A8's quiet luxury over the bold BMW 7 Series or the lavish Mercedes S-Class? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay tuned with us here on Gearvibe.